Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how I created these beginner-friendly, easy cloud nails. If you want to see how I achieve this look, you're in the right place, so keep on watching. Start off by applying a base coat to protect your natural nails. Apply 1 to 2 coats of a white polish as the base color. If you have a white polish that covers evenly in one coat, just apply the one coat. Apply 1 coat of a fast-drying top coat and allow to fully dry. Apply a layer of a latex barrier to protect your skin surrounding the nail to help with easier cleanup later on. Alternatively, you can use tape or clean up the excess polish using nail polish remover paired with a Q-tip or cleanup brush. Use a light blue polish paired with a medium blue polish and apply each color to 1/2 of a cosmetic wedge to prep for an ombre base design. Don't forget to blend both colors in the middle of the sponge to help with an easier transition. Begin dabbing the sponge over top your nails using a slight up and down and side to side motion to seamlessly blend both colors together. Using a white base really allows both colors to really pop. Apply both colors back onto the sponge and dab over top the nails once again for a second coat. Repeat as many times as needed until you achieve a flawless blend of colors and full opacity. In total, I've dabbed on 3 coats. If you chose to use a latex barrier, carefully remove with tweezers and clean up any excess if needed with a cleanup brush or a Q-tip. Apply 1 coat of a fast-drying top coat to smooth over the ombre design and allow it to fully dry before moving on to the next step. Apply a few droplets of a white polish onto a palette. I use a foam marble tile that I purchased at Dollarama. Alternatively, you can use a small piece of tin foil. Use a small dotting tool or toothpick and begin gently dabbing on small dots with the white polish side by side and around, mimicking the shape of a cloud. Clouds in general are unique in shape, so there is no right and wrong way of doing this. Begin filling in the center of the cloud border by lightly stippling white polish to the center using your dotting tool or toothpick. Keep in mind you can play around with the sizing of the clouds and how many clouds go on your nails to your personal preference. Apply 1 coat of a fast-drying top coat. Lastly, apply one coat of a matte top coat. I always apply a glossy fast dry top coat prior to matte to help the manicure last longer. So here we have the final and completed look, and I really love how these came out. They almost look cartoonish, especially with the matte finish. If you are a beginner to nail art, feel free to skip out on the ombre base if you find it to be intimidating and just apply your favorite blue polish instead. Thank you guys so much for watching and hope to see you back in the next one. Until then, remember, creativity is at your fingertips. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!